Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to remove blank rows from your Google Sheet. Unlike Microsoft Excel that has a tab and an option to do this, it's a little more cumbersome. It's possible to do in Google Sheets nonetheless. All we want to do here is if we hit Control A, and then again, it's going to select our whole sheet, and we want to go to Data, and that's going to allow us to create a filter. And when we create a filter, we're going to be able to select just our blank rows, and then we can go ahead and get those removed. So we're just going to click on create a filter there. And you can see they've got these little filter buttons on each of the columns. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that filter on our segment column there. And you see we have blanks here. It's selected along with everything else. So we're just going to hit clear and then select blanks and then hit OK. And then now you can see it's kind of got these outlines here of 4 different rows that are blanks. So we're going to go ahead and we'll hit Shift and then click. And then if we right click, it allows us the option to delete the selected rows. So we'll go ahead and do that. And so now it's removed. You can see though, something you got to be careful of is there's this row as well that was underneath those outlines. So it goes 1, 27, 703. So we know this is a blank row. We just need to make sure that we get that deleted. So right click on that one as well, delete row. And then what we want to do is go back to that filter, click on that again, and then we can do select all. Okay. And then that's going to generate everything back. So if we want to double check here, saying that we have a blank somewhere, so we'll hit OK. So obviously those blanks are all the blanks that come after our data because there's nothing else in there, or the data in our table. So we should be good. We can just hit select all, and then that's going to put all of our data back, and it's removed all of the blank rows. So something that is definitely easy to do and can be a lifesaver if you have large data sets and you don't want to scroll through and find all the blank rows. So hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns around this or any other topic. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.